Happy Tuesday, midday, Mutant Engineer back. Today I have a song for you from Mumford and Sons. It's called Home. I don't think it even appeared on any of their albums. It was just a YouTube upload. They had recorded it in some radio studio out west, maybe Colorado, somewhere like that. I just remember hearing it years ago and really enjoying it. So I'm going to share it with you today. Again, this is Mumford and Sons Home. Here we go. Ba 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 ba. I ran away in floods of shame. I'll never know how close I came as I crossed the Holland Road. Well, you went left and I went right. As the moon hung proud and bright, you would have loved it here tonight. Spin me round just to pin me down on the cover of this strange bed. Spin me round just to pin me down. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba 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 ba. Wrap up your questions, keep them down. Let the water lead us home, and I was sorry for what I'd done. When you were young, I was not old, but our story was not told, but torn apart by greedy hands. Spin me round just to pin me down on the cover of this strange bed. Bum, bum. Spin me round just to pin me down. Spin me around just to pin me down. I'll be gone by the night's end. Bum, bum, bum. Spin me around just to pin me down. I'll be gone in a little while. Bum, 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 bum. Lover, I'll be gone in a while. Lover, I'll be home. Bum, 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 bum. Well, I'll be home in a little while. Lover, I'll be home. Bum, 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 bum. Lover, I'll be home in a little while. Lover, I'll be